Hello there, random smart kids on the internet. We have a great day today. We are going to be doing some science experiments. I have my helpers.
My name is Camden.
And my helper.
My name is Kyla.
Camden and Kyla are going to be helping us do some experiments today. We're going to be doing science experiments with Generation Genius. This is a science experiment kit that your parents can purchase on generationgenius.com. It comes with many experiments, one of which we're going to do today. So, we are going to be making gummy worms today. But not gummy worms you can eat, gummy worms you can play with.
Safety.
Safety first. Right now I'm having my helpers put on their safety goggles. Thumbs up. Everything you need for this science experiment comes with it. So inside here, we have sodium algitate. This is some thick liquid that's gonna make the science experiment work. We also have some cool food coloring, a pipette, syringe, calcium lactate gluconate, 2 cups, a spoon, and a plate. So we're gonna place down our white paper right here. This will help with the cleanup. Camden, can you put the plate on the white table? And Kyler, let's open these food colorings up and pull them out. Now, we're gonna take the sodium algitate, this thick liquid right here, and Camden's gonna pour it inside of the tray. So we're gonna open it up, peel this back, and slowly in a zigzag pattern from one corner to the other, pour it in slowly. This is some thick stuff. There we go. Let's make some zigzags going that way. There we go. Let's try to get it all on the tray. And that should be enough. Let's see if we can spread it out. Okay. There we go. And we're going to save the rest for later. Now, Kyler is going to take the blue food coloring, break it off, okay, and is going to put 3 drops right inside the liquid. Just 3 small dots. 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right. Helper Camden, what color do you want?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, now you're going to do 3 drops.
1,
2, 3. There we go. Kyler, what color do you want now?
red.
Red.
Your favorite.
That is my favorite color.
I don't want.
Oh, do it right over there. 1. Let me help. 2, 3. And then green is the final color.
Final cut.
Final color.
1, 2.
3. There we go. Good job. Now, we're going to make some science art. First, take your pipette. You will place it in the food coloring and swirl it around. So, Kyler, let's pick one and move it around and let's make some art.
Look.
Whoa. That's so cool. Do it again.
Now this way.
Whoa.
Circle the way.
That is so cool. One more.
I do circle the way.
That is so cool. Let's do like this. Right there. Right there. Draw it. Good job. All right. Now, helper Camden, you choose a color and you draw. Now it's Kyler's turn. You're gonna do the red or the green.
That looks cool.
It does look cool. Now, Camden, last one. Now let's make it with the green. Okay. Now that is some amazing science art.
Yeah.
Let's swirl this around. Look how cool that is. Now the thick sodium algitate is a lot thicker than water. So that is why the water of the food coloring is able to swirl around and keep its form inside of the sodium algitate. How cool is that?
Cool.
Now we're gonna put this experiment to the side and go into our next one, which is so cool. Now we're gonna take both of our cups, fill one up with water, almost all the way to the top. Next, we're gonna put some food coloring in the sodium algitate. Kyler, give me some food coloring. Blue. Now you're gonna put 20 drops of the food coloring inside the sodium algitate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Now, we're going to put the top back on it.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't need that yet. Now we're going to do a super scientific way of mixing. We're going to flip and flip. Flip and flip. 20 times. Helper Camden, let's flip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, Helper Kyler, let's mix up a little bit more. We're going to do 20 with you. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. That was 40 total. That is correct. 20 plus 20 does equal 40. Now we're going to take the sodium algitate and we're going to pour it into this one. Camden, can you help? Now, as one person is pouring, we will use our calcium lactate gluconate. This is going to bind the sodium algitate together, and we're going to pour this into the water and then immediately start stirring. And we're going to mix it all together.
Right.
Now, after the calcium lactate gluconate is mixed into the water, we're going to take our syringe that comes with the kit, take our sodium algitate, and put in the solution and see what happens. So we're going to take 10 milliliters. We're taking 10 milliliters.
All the way to 10.
All the way to 10. Then we're going to pour it in the solution. Camden. Okay. Pour it in there slowly. Push, push, push. Push. Now we're gonna wait 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now Camden, reach in there and slowly let's pull out this gummy worm.
What?
Whoa!
See how big is this?
Pull it all out. Whoa, it's sliming down. Use 2 hands. Whoa! What does it feel like?
Soft.
Soft and gooey?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna pull this one out too. Whoa, it's soft and gooey. That's some gummy worms.
And it's so small.
Yeah. Now, helper Kyler, while Camden plays with that, you are gonna do yours.
So I can play with it.
That's right.
And
All
I have
right.
to put mine back.
All right, Kyler, let's pour it in. Push the plunger really slowly. And circles. All right, now we're going to keep it in there for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's gooey.
It's gooey. Whoa! You can do different things with this. Instead of making a whole worm, you can actually make little beads. Simply just put in little dots.
And count to 10.
That's right. Once all the dots are in there, we're going to count to 10.
And no eating the gummy worm.
And no eating the gummy worms. All right, that's
So you
enough.
can play with them.
Yep. All right, let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see if I can pick up some little beads. Oh, I got little beads. They're so squishy.
I got a bee.
You got a bead. That's so cool. See if we can pop. Oh, I can pop them. That was so cool. Now we're going to see if we can make a super huge worm. We're going to fill it all the way up. And then we're going to put it all in there.
Yeah, super one.
There we go. This time we're going to count to 20.
1,
2. Actually, no. This time we're going to count down from 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's so big.
Oh, look at this. Oh, it broke. Oh, no.
That's okay, but there's some more.
Yeah. Whoa, it keeps on going.
It keeps on going.
Look at that.
Yay! I'm gonna get me some. We're making a rainbow one.
With our final solution, we're going to use what we had the first time, the rainbow art. We're going to pour it in and make a rainbow worm. All right, let's pour it in.
A rainbow one.
Now we're going to count down from 20. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cammy, get it out.
I want to get it out.
You can get out some.
Look at this rainbow.
Oh, Kyler's gonna get some out now.
This was my
Yep.
rainbow.
And then, oh, I get a small one.
Did you have my big one?
Oh no, y'all can play with it. Okay.
Okay.
It's rainbow and blue.
I hope you had as much fun as we did. And always remember,
Have fun with STEM!
have fun with STEM.